Do you love purses? How about a classic, timeless flap purse design? Today, I'm super excited to be unboxing my newest arrival, a COACH Tabby 26 in a gorgeous chocolate brown shade. I cannot wait to see it in person. So if you are interested to come along with me on this unboxing and see how it arrives, how it's packaged, the outside, the inside, how it fits, my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. Okay, I could hardly wait to do this video. I was almost not gonna do it and just dive right in, but I had to bring you along for the joy of this. It's, you know, I get so excited about the little things like this. I'm just really excited about this and I cannot wait to see it. So I have been getting more into, I've liked COACH over the years. I would say I started out liking COACH. It was more of an affordable designer brand, you know, and then I moved on to higher end brands. And then as I get older, I've kind of realized, you know, they're all leather purses and just get what makes you happy, brings you joy. And so I've really been, you know, dabbling more into COACH. It's just kind of a middle of the line. So it is pricier than a normal, you know, $100 or $200 purse. I would say they're more like $300 to $600, but they're not thousands like some of the other designer purses, and they're beautifully made. They have great quality. Overall, I've been happy with them. I still have all of my COACH purses, or any that I don't have, you know, I've given to other family members who still have them. So they are timeless. They are well made. They do stand the test of time. And I think it's like just a well-loved brand. So today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the COACH Tab 26, which is a classic flap purse. They originally released this design, I believe, in 1970, but it's a popular style amongst a lot of designers, like a classic flap purse. I think Chanel made it most popular, but those are just crazy priced, and you know, they're just leather purses in the end. So to me, you know, that is a little overpriced, but I do like the look. I do like that you can wear it very dressy. You can wear it with casual clothes. I think it's very versatile. If you haven't seen my ranked accessories or any kind of my styling tips, I think adding a beautiful bag to any ordinary outfit is always just an easy everyday outfit elevator. So if you don't like getting dressed up, you know, putting on a pretty purse is always a great option to just kind of uplift your outfit. So let's take a closer look at this Tabby purse. Okay, so it came in a pretty unmarked box, but I did get a shipping notification, and it did say COACH a little bit on the shipping label. But the box is pretty unmarked, which is pretty common. They don't want the boxes stolen. So very minimalistic packaging. I like it. It's classy, sleek, a little thank you card from COACH. And then the box. Looks like the ribbon did come undone, but it's still really pretty. A nice little chocolate brown ribbon. So it comes packaged really nice, really minimalistically. If you are sending this as a gift to someone, I like how it came. It wasn't just, you know, like, you know, when you're ordering something from a store and everything's in plastic, it just came really nicely presented. And then here it is in its little bag, which is also nice. So it's a little dust bag. And as expected. So it is a true chocolate brown in a quilted style. It feels amazing, so soft. I love the quilting. Let me get all this packaging off. Okay, here it is. So I would say it is gorgeous. It's as I expected. So Coach actually does a really good job of their photos online. They also show like what fits inside. They show someone wearing it, kind of all the things that I'm gonna do as well. A lot of sites don't do that. So it is nice that Coach does that and offers just a closer look, because I feel like that's what you need. You know, not everyone is willing to take the risk of putting hundreds or even sometimes thousands of dollars sight unseen on something. So that is nice. So of course, upon viewing it, the brown is a beautiful classic color. And I have been loading up on brown pieces lately since it is on trend. There are so many great options nowadays. And there will come a time when we've moved on from brown and another color will be popular. But it's a color I love. So I want to have some pieces that I can use. I think it's a timeless color, up there with my ivory stuff, navy stuff. I think it's a classic color. If you haven't seen my Coach outlet unboxing, I'll link that down below for you to watch next. So the outside has a beautiful puff quilting look. The stitching looks lovely in like a diamond pattern, and the gold hardware is a brushed or like muted gold. It's not a super shiny gold, which I think looks really classy. The chain has the same brown shade of leather going through it and is also in a kind of muted and brushed gold. All the gold hardware is in the same. And I think that, you know, gold and brown do go good together. I know some of you ladies like silver, but I think gold looks good with the brown. That's what I would opt to. I like silver too. The inside has a smooth leather and it has two slotted side pockets on the interior and an inner zip option as well. And then it has, oh, so this is like a double flap. So it has a magnetic, another pocket up in the front, but inside that's a magnetic closure. So you actually have 4 slots to put your items. And then the front button buckles the whole thing. So that's really cute. And the back has another, oh, it's magnetic. So this is magnetic as well back here, where you would likely keep your phone. And then I love the chain detail. So this just adds a beautiful look, I think, just when you're wearing anything. And then of course it's adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody if you'd like, or at a longer length, or as a shoulder purse as well. So really, really beautiful. The bottom doesn't have feet. It's just a flat side. The sides have a bit of, what would that be? Like a fold or pleat, really pretty. And then it does have a ring with just this little leather tag. I think that's just for styling. I don't think you would use it for anything else. So really, I would say pretty basic, pretty classic, affordable. I think it looks beautiful. I love the size. This is perfect. So I had went in the store, probably, I think in 2023, they came out with this and it was all over social media and it was so popular, the Tabby purse. And at first I was like, oh, I love the mini, and mini purses were a little bit more in. And I went in there and looked at it in person and I was like, I don't even think I could fit my phone in there. Like, it was so small. It was totally non-functional. And I do like purses for style, but they also have to be functional. They must be able to carry my things. And so I do have different size purses for wherever you're going. But I mean, honestly, I really love a crossbody and a shoulder option. And if you can get both in one purse, I think that is wonderful. So for me, I am just elated with this find. I am so happy to have a timeless brown purse that I can wear with lots of different outfits and keep forever. So a beautiful find. I will have this linked below, as well as the other video, and some options for you to take a look around their site. So their new arrivals on the outlet store, and then some classic options from their main store. If you see something that catches your eye, I would say these are timeless. They do stand the test of time. They are beautiful, classy. You can wear this to work casually, just anywhere. I think it's a really pretty option to have on hand, but I'm interested to hear what you think about maybe Coach or pricier option purses. Is Coach still too expensive for a purse for you, or is it something that you splurge on here and there? I would love to know your thoughts on kind of the purse realm and pricing situations out there. But I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.